Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change display size in Realme 14x phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for display and brightness option menu. And then we need to scroll to the display size. And here we have three options. As you can see, we have the large option, we have the standard default option, and we have the small option. It's pretty easy to change, and as you can see, these are our options here. Of course, we can change more in this menu, but we are now interested only in changing the display size. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.